O, diba? May kalamay na ako. Kala nyo. Kala nyo, ha? Wala akong kalamay. Meron. Kala nyo, di ako makakape. Kaping-kapi na ako. Kanina pa. Hi, Rob. I'm doing fine. And how are you? How was your work? How's your work, Rob? Let's have coffee. Well, I'm doing fine. Sanjay. Timpla mo naman ako. That's good. That's good to hear. Wala ka na. Lono! Dala din ako ano. Mabusan ako ng asukal. That's good, Ra. Naka na ako, wala na nga ako sukal at saka kape. Dito tayo. Dito tayo sa may ano. Dito tayo sa kapitbahay. Ngayon lang. O baka ito yung nakita nyo. Dalawa na kaya. Bigyan niyo ako ng asukal, guys. Hindi man ako makaupo ng ano. Your garden look nice. Well, this is not my backyard, guys. This is my neighbor's backyard. I'm just sitting here. Because my, what's this? What do you call this one? Like this. The grass like this. This one. It's not huge already. Unlike in their backyard. It's so nice. Nice to tambay-tambay. Nice to stand by here.